I have a 13 kV GE/Briggs and Stratton generator. Showing fault code FC3. Low voltage.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
About 5 years. Old with 135 hours showing on control panel. Model 040324.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Already changed voltage regulator.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. What is the serial number of the genset?
I have done the electrical checking you asked. Call me when you can. Okay.
What were the results you got?
I could not determine if the red or black was 11 or 44. Red wire hot to ground fluctuated rapidly between 85 to 100. Black wire hot to ground steady at 100. Red and black together 200. Voltage regulator 1198 steady. 44 to 85 to 100 up and down. Together 196.
Sorry for the delay. I put in 14 hours yesterday and was just too exhausted when I got home. Then I put in 13 hours today. On the control board, there are two wires marked E1 and E2. Test the voltage across them.
Okay. Check E1 E2 inside control panel. 218 to 209. Curiosity asked me why these are the ones connected to the incoming wires 44 to 11.
Tell Curiosity that the control board has to know how much voltage the generator is producing. There is no better place to check it than straight off the power windings. But also tell her that why they pull the sensing from the output side of the breaker instead of the input side is beyond me. This means that the breakers have to be turned on for the sensing to work. This also means that the breakers have to be on while doing any testing or troubleshooting, and one of the first rules of testing and troubleshooting is to remove all loads from the genset to isolate the genset, i.e. turning off the breakers. Okay. That is a little low, but I wouldn't think it would set an FC3. But, we are going to do one more test first. Check the frequency of the AC output at the input side of the breakers. You should be getting 61 to 6.5 Hz. If it is low, adjust the governor to bring the speed up. If the frequency is good, but it is still only putting out 210 volts, then the voltage regulator is faulty.
Thank you. You answered a bunch of my curiosities. Question. I will check further as you say. I did replace the voltage regulator first. The regulator they sent me is not exactly the same as the old. I have had a hard time getting a wiring diagram that I can see.
Always do frequency first, then voltage. Give me 5 minutes, and I will get you a wiring diagram. I have uploaded the wiring diagram for you. See page 31. Click here to download it.
I thought I was going to open a food truck. You are giving me a whole new career. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Okay, got a new meter to check frequency. It is 59 at breaker. I adjusted governor as you suggested. It will run under load for about 45 minutes. Then motor speeds up and shuts down on FC6. I manually adjust governor lower, and it will run for 1.5 hours before shutting down on FC5. Do you still think it is the voltage regulator?
That sounds like you are having either a fuel regulator issue, or a governor issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.